viewers, welcome to another gift wrapping video from What's Your Hobby. In this video, let's learn how to go about making this gift box. Let's now take a look at the materials needed. You will need the following materials today: 8 square pieces of the gift papers of different patterns and some basic stationery like transparent tape, glue and a sharp pair of scissors. Alright, let's get started now. So, these 4 square papers will be used to make one such half of the gift box. Now, using a transparent tape, carefully stick all the 4 square pieces into a single square sheet. You will be able to later see how these different patterns will make your gift box look extraordinary. Now, start folding the square paper as shown in the video. And it's very important to ensure that the fold sleeve super strong creases. This will make your later folds easier. Look at how the base design turned out to be. Let's now take a look at the second level of folding in this design. Now fold the paper along the creases to transform it into a box. And now this is the only tricky part in this design. Carefully observe how I go about this fold. So, I have already made one such gift box. Now I am going to fit one of these into the other, and you can keep your gift inside this cute handmade box. And this was one of my favorite designs in this series. I hope you all loved this design and this episode. So stay tuned to What's Your Hobby.